Welcome to Reverse the Curse. Elevate your existence with ancient wisdom. Are you plagued by health problems, psychological challenges, relationship woes, or even curses? Do you long for a life filled with love, joy, and abundance, but negative energies or entities seem to stand in your way? Or perhaps you've withstood mockery, pain, ancestral trauma, or have lived the same nightmare over and over, without end. Fear not, for there is an ancient practice that can help you overcome these obstacles and transform your life forever. Through an instant shift of seeing and practical guidance, you can tap into the manifest power of imagery and dreams to dissolve these troubles. Our advice, applications, and programs address many personal issues to improve your lifestyle. Forge better relationships, remove obstacles, create higher income, make your business a success, and enjoy a happier, healthier life. Your dreams aren't just dreams. Learn how to use them as tools, guidance, and a gateway to make a change. Visit the official website and take the first step.